Hi kids, today Anya and me, we are going to show you how to make Play-Doh snakes.
Yes.
Right, Anya? Now I'm going to use blue. What color are you going to use?
Pink.
Pink. Okay, so first you take the Play-Doh.
Okay.
You don't need a lot. You just roll it back and forth in your hands.
But we have round on the table.
Or you can roll it on the table like Anya's doing. And you keep going depending how long and thick you want the snake to be, right?
That's good.
It's perfect. See, and here's mine.
Okay, mine.
Okay, and there's other things you could do too, right? Like we're gonna make stripes too. I'm gonna use purple. You want purple too?
Yeah.
Okay, now the stripes are gonna have to be thin. So I'm gonna roll it up. I'll do it for you.
I know how to do that. I can roll on the table.
Yeah, but you gotta roll just a little bit because it has to be little.
Okay, I will take a little bit off. That's good.
Oh, little.
That's good.
Let me see. Like maybe this much.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, so roll that out.
That's good.
Well, a little bit smaller, like mine. See? See mine?
Oh, wait, my cut.
That's okay if it breaks because we have to cut it anyways.
I will not use that paste.
Good. And then I'm going to take the Play-Doh
See
cutter.
that?
Mm-hmm.
That's little.
And I'll make this part little too.
Okay, now we're gonna cut it with my knife. I will cut with my knife. Let's
There you
show
go.
it. Let's show it.
Okay, I'm going to use this.
I'm gonna use this.
I'm just going to cut stripes out.
I'll cut mine. Is that good?
Very good. And you just wrap it around the snake.
Yes, like this. That's good. That's good.
Yeah, that's very good.
And I'm gonna cut mine right here. That's good. That's
Yes.
good.
Very good. Next, we're going to make eyes. I'm going to make yellow eyes. You need 2 little balls to make eyes. You got to make them really small.
I made my stripes.
What color you want your eyes to be?
Purple.
Okay. Make little circles. So you need really little pieces.
Like this. Like that.
Yep.
My dress. We roll them like ball like this.
Yeah, see how this one is? Into a ball. See that? No, that's way too big. Look at it. Like that.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
That's too big. This piece is right here. Roll that into a ball. And here is my snake. Go ahead, roll it into a ball. See the stripes? And your little yellow eyes. Very good. That was really cool. Show the kids. Ooh, pretty. Let's hold them up together. All right, kids. It's very easy to do at home, right? So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.